explanation for the assignment 2.3 quote response. So the purpose for this assignment is to allow me to look at a writing sample from you. And this is going to help me make decisions on how I can help you grow as a writer, okay? I want you to know, and I'm going to highlight this, there is no wrong answer to this task. It makes no difference to me whether I agree with you or not on your opinions on this, okay? What I'm looking for you is to just do your best writing here and know that that is good enough, okay? You're going to earn credit for this as long as you give it your honest best effort. Okay, so let's look at this. When you look at the length of it, I want you to write one paragraph response to one of the quotes found below. And you'll see all the quote options down here. You pick which one you want to write about, okay? Then, I want you to know that you need to use MLA format, okay? You're going to need to type your response in a new Google Doc or word processing document. The word processing document that I'm going to ask you to use is either Google Doc or Microsoft Word. If you use Microsoft Works, or if you use a word processing document in Apple or a Mac processing program, I'm not going to be able to open it. So if you want your work graded, it needs to either be a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word doc. When you're typing out your paper, it needs to be Times New Roman, size 12-point font, and set the spacing to 2.0 or double size spacing. You need to put an MLA heading at the top left corner of your document. Your name, teacher name, course name, and then the date. Okay, so your name, the teacher's name, the course name, and then the teacher's date, and then the date. I want you to note that it goes day, month, and then year. Okay? Then you're going to write a catchy title, and you're going to center it. If writing a title is not something that is in your one of your strengths, you just need to click this document, click this link right here, and you're going to see a helpful handout on how to write a catchy title. Okay? You'll notice a lot in these assignment documents that I put in links. That way you can refer to them if you're struggling with a concept. Then, and this is important, after your title, nothing else gets centered. It's going to go to the left, okay? So, when you're writing, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick out your quote. So let's just pick out this first quote right here. Now, use this sentence structure to help you begin your paragraph. You can start with, Moshe ben Ezra once said, if you do not suffer the toil of study, you will suffer the toil of ignorance. Then you're going to write, this means that, and you're going to allow a couple of sentences to explain the meaning of the quote. Okay? Then, for the rest of the paragraph, argue either for or against the sentiment expressed in the quote. So in other words, do you agree with the quote or not? And then you're going to have to give me a reason why you think the quote is accurate or inaccurate, and then you're going to have to complete the paragraph with a thorough discussion of the reason, giving specific examples and details as support. Okay? If you have any questions at all, just let me know, and I look forward to reading your response. Thank you.